Sweet, let's try for it again. It's in the corner, which might be kind of hard to win, so it's probably strategically placed there. Just because everyone wants it. Oh, no way! Welcome back to another video. It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are at the mall today playing this little mini claw machine, and it's actually kind of adorable. I mean, check it out. It looks like a little dollhouse, but look inside and you guys will not believe this. They have rolls of cash in here. Check how much cash is in this little claw machine. I mean, like, I could almost just pick this up and take it with me. It is $2 a play, which is pretty crazy. So a lot on the line here, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it. We're gonna insert, let's see, 8 quarters. There we go. We got one try on here for $2. Gosh, I guess I should just go for the $100 bill over here. I mean, that seems like the best deal. So let's see. Can we win it, guys? First try, come on. Oh my gosh. That wasn't bad. It actually looked kind of strong, so I'm gonna try it again. All right, sweet, let's try for it again. It's in the corner, which might be kind of hard to win, so it's probably strategically placed there. Just because everyone wants it. Oh, no way. Oh my God, are you kidding me, dude? Oh my God, I cannot just believe that happened. You guys see that? It literally picked it up and it fell right back there, and now I don't even think I can win it. What the heck, dude? I almost walked out with the $100 cash. Oh my God, is this even legal? Oh yeah, see, I can't go back far enough. What the heck, dude, that sucks. All right, well, let's test it out on one of these. Let's go for this $10. Actually, there's a $20 bill right here. That's a good deal. Let's see if we can win this rolled up 20. Come on. Oh, no way. First try, are you kidding me, dude? What the heck? No way. Oh my God, guys, that is so cool. From the mini claw machine, we got a roll of 20s. And see how much I want. Oh, I see. Just a bunch of ones, but that's not bad, guys. I got $10 in ones and a $20 bill. That makes 30 bucks. I'm gonna go for all the $10 bills first. Ooh, maybe, come on. Oh, no way. Oh my God, barely. Holy crap, that was really close to falling out. Oh my God, we got another $10. Are you kidding me? Dude, this machine is super easy to win from, guys. I'm gonna keep pumping in my quarters here. Let's go for whatever this one is. I think it's just a 5. Oh, no way, dude. Oh my God. Dude, that was so close to falling out again. We got another roll of cash, guys. All right, we got another try on here. It's 5 right here, looks perfect. Yep, that should have it. Nice, another win. Are you kidding me? Nice. Dang, guys, we are killing it right now. Look how many rolls of cash we have. We have 3 and then the $20 bill. I'm gonna go for this one. It's gonna be risky. Get behind it, maybe. Come on, stay. Oh my gosh. That one did not stay and it fell right there. But you know what? I'm gonna keep going for it. You know what, guys? I'm gonna grab the 20 I just won and I'm gonna throw it in this change machine and get $20 in quarters. All right, we got $20 in quarters here. It's a ton of quarters. And I'm about to throw these all into this little mini claw machine. I don't even know if it can hold all these quarters. I hope so. The rubber bands really help the bills stay inside the claw. It gives it something to grip. Oh yeah, easy. What? Oh my gosh. I did not see that coming. Guys, if you press the button twice, it'll actually close even quicker. Since the only thing gettable are these ones, I'm just gonna go for them. I mean, I don't know how much money it is, but money's money, so. Oh, come on. Yep, stay. Nice, perfect. Heck yes. Dude, another roll of cash. We are killing it. We got 4 plus the 20 I've put in the change machine. I wonder if I can use the swing technique and dig it out. Oh, come on. Oh my God, I got the $10 bill. Oh, wow, what a tease, guys. I was so close. Yep, perfect. Oh, what? That did not work. We're gonna try again though. All right, we got another try on. I want to go right in the middle. If you hit them dead center, seems to pick it up okay. So here we go. Deploying the claw. Oh, a little back too far. Guys, here I go. I'm gonna press the button and double tap it and see if I can clamp right on it. Oh yeah, perfect. Come on, nice. Got it. Another roll of cash. That is our 6th roll of cash that we've won so far. Man, I really want this 100 back here. Such a small chance of the claw getting back there, but you know what, screw it. I'm gonna drop the claw anyways. Let's see what it does, guys. $100 bill. I had no idea this little claw had the capability of picking up all this cash. I mean, this is completely insane. I'm about to count it all up. I'll show you guys the total in a little bit, and you guys can see how much I won and how much I profited from this little dollhouse claw machine. And there is an Amazon gift card in there I might try. This one's only $1. Oh, maybe. Oh, that one's way worse. Thank you guys for watching. Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, links are in the description as always, and I'll see you guys in the next one.